So the reason why we started Ascension Labs, the reason why we're working on all of this tech, it's so that we can help humanity ascend. The reason why I'm creating Quantum Water is because even if you have people that don't actually believe in ascension, you drink this water, you're going to fix your DNA, you're going to cleanse your body, you're going to have positive attributes when you charge your field, your biofield. It's just going to happen. So even if you have ignorant parents out there, ignorant friends, get them a water filter. Get them the water filter, and this is going to be ready within the next month. My Quantum Water filter is going to be ready for sale. You can put the crystals in it from Solomon's Temple. There'll be Tensor rings in it to create the tunnel of light. There'll be liquid plasma in it to change the field of the overall water, and it will actually also change the field of whatever room that it's in. So it does a few different things for you. Once you have this in someone's home, they're going to notice the changes in their body. If you're having trouble ascending, if you're having problems with your body, I'm not saying it's a cure-all. All I'm saying is learn how to do these different upgrades. The reason why we create the tech, the PEMFMAT, the blood electrolysis, that was to get rid of fear. A lot of it was because it all started because I didn't want people to think the spike protein, what am I going to do? And I was like, get blood electrolysis, cleanse your blood, keep the spike protein at bay. You know, cleanse your blood from nanographene oxide and from, hopefully, I don't know if this works because I haven't done any tests in this area, but myocarditis. And so all of this stuff needs to be taken into account. We need to start having machines that are going to help our bodies, practices that are going to help our bodies, awareness and understanding so we can make better choices. And so if you're out there and you're trying to make better choices for yourself, for your family, look at different ways like me, the Quantum Water. Even if my kids don't understand what I'm doing, they'll drink some water. Their DNA starts to upgrade. Their body energy field starts to charge. Their immune system kicks in. This is going to help. All of this stuff is for the ascension of humanity. That's the only reason why we do it. It's not about money. That's why I give the patents away. That's why everything's free to build. That's why if you want to sell it, I'll give you 30% commission so we spread light and love. It's not about money. There's a referral program if you want to join it. There's also going to be NFTs so that you can actually lock into a blueprint that'll be forever on a ledger so they can't delete these scientist blueprints anymore. We're getting smarter with how we do things. All of it's going to be open source. All of it's going to be available to the public, and it's all going to be done under DIY so that we don't have to worry about patents. We're just going to sell the parts to create the machine, and then you buy it, you put it together just like IKEA, no hard feelings. And that's how we do it. And then in the future, we're also going to put percentages of these NFTs towards other builds, right? Let's say you're an inventor and you want to create something online. There's going to be a place where you can actually bring your ideas, that you can actually pitch us, and we can do fundraisers with these NFTs. We fundraise with the NFTs. That gives everyone 10% of your company or 10% of the profit. Then we go into creating the actual invention, right? And then creating what I would call a marketing scheme, and then also creating a way to bring it to the masses. So all of that together is going to be what we start to build with these NFTs. What do I want? I want Ascension products that are brought to the masses. I want to have a place where inventors can come and build a vision, build their dream together. And so I want you guys to learn how to create things, because just like Nikola Tesla, I first started with a little Bob Beck device, right? Nikola Tesla started working with electricity, rubbing two cats together. He was just a child. So don't let things limit you. You have so much potential, and we can start building cool stuff. Build a Tesla coil just to see if you can, just to get the knowledge of what it takes to do something. If you guys want to join me in what I would call the Tinkerer's Revolution, the experimental new earth that we're creating, this is how we do it. We do it little bit by little bit. We do it by going into what makes us tick, what makes us come alive when we're going in through our creative processes. Mine, I like to build things, recreate things that help people. I want people to ascend. So any which way, whether food, whether practice, whether belief, ascension at all costs. So I hope you guys are out there learning how to ascend. I hope you guys are taking care of your bodies. I hope you guys are learning how to do things to help yourself if you find you're not ascending the way you would like, to kind of hypercharge it or increase your ability to detox, to ascend, to grow, to activate your DNA. It's all very important.